How to unlock NSFW content on Reddit. So the very first thing you should know that you cannot directly unlock NSFW content from the Reddit app itself. So what you gotta do is you have to move into any of the web browser and then head over to the official site of Reddit. Once you're in here, enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then head over to settings. Inside settings, swipe left and then you need to head over to preferences. In the section of preferences, you can see the category of content. Tons of different options are available. You can see the option of show mature content, so you have to toggle on this feature and then tap on yes, I'm over 18. Once you have enabled this option, it will automatically unlock the NSFW content on Reddit and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.